Hi everybody, Cheboygan Country Gal. Just chilling out today here at the Cheboygan State Park on the beach in Cheboygan, Michigan. And it's really super quiet. Hardly anybody on this beach. Kind of surprised. All you need is a state pass to get in here. If you can see the sparklies in the sand, but from where I'm at, there's little sparklies all over in the sand. Anyway, wanted to show you a little bit more Michigan. It's up here on the index finger. It's where Cheboygan is, as we would say. Haha, top of the index finger. Alright, y'all have a beautiful day and God bless.